Big news for the Naples Pier. On Friday, the city of Naples said it finally locked in the FEMA grant needed to start the long-awaited rebuild. I'm Fox 4's Austin Shagarotsky, and people I spoke with here at the beach say this is the update they've been waiting for. Since Ian, the Naples Pier has sat here damaged and closed, just out of reach behind this fence. For many people, it's a stark reminder of the destruction that Ian left behind. But now, the wait on a rebuild is one step closer to ending. The city says FEMA has granted more than $11.4 million toward a project that's expected to cost about $12.6 million total, clearing the way for demolition and a full rebuild. People I spoke to at the beach say this announcement makes the pier's return feel real.
We're excited about it. Yeah, we come here annually, and it's a good free destination for people to live here and tourists. And
always excited to have somewhere to fish, man. It's there's a lot of places to fish here, but this was one of the most highly recommended ones.
The city says the new pier will keep its iconic look, but be built better to handle future storms. They say it will be built with thicker support pillars, a higher deck, and a structure designed to better handle strong waves and storms. For people here, this is about more than a pier. It's about getting a piece of Naples back.
good news for Naples.
Reporting in Naples, I'm Austin Shagarotsky, Fox 4 News.